Great work, Babu. You've earned these.
Thanks, sir. I won't let you down.
Fire! Get out! No, my shop. We'll build it again. Bigger, stronger. But
Line the girders here. 20 degrees. Keep the weld clean. This frame has to hold more than steel. We're building a future. Let's make it worthy.
बाबू, क्रॉस मेंबर 2 डिग्री मोड़। वजन 1200 किलो से नीचे रहना चाहिए। नया अलाई लगाओ, फिर दोबारा चेक करो। फ्रेम आगे लाओ। जी बाबू। ठीक है, यही वो शक्ल है।
From our streets to the world, this is Pony, our pride on the road.